What is up? What is up? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video. As you can see, this is the final day for the prep before me and the boys leave off for the desert trip. Our first desert trip of the season. Yeah, but today we're gonna get busy. I'm gonna be cranking out at these things, these last minute things that I've been noticing on the Ranger. Last video, I told you guys about the tranny talking to me, and it basically locked me out of every gear, so I couldn't get into any gear on the trans. So I'm gonna drain all the fluid out, and I'm putting new fluid in, top it off. As well, I'm just doing an oil change as well. I'm gonna do an air filter because I haven't opened this air box on this truck, and you don't want to know when, probably about like 3 years. Tranny, it's never been opened, it's never been drained, the oil's never been switched ever since I've owned this truck. So yeah, guys, we got a list of things to do today to check off. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's get busy. Let's get cranking. Can't lie, like, this is the outside. Look at that, all gunked up, and look at the inside. Not too bad, guys. Let's get this bad boy all cleaned up and let it dry off and slap it back in. What are you doing to this?
Motor mounts, and then hopefully that solves the issue, and I'm gonna jump it off the dock to test it out again.
God, you hear that, Sean? Speed?
Hey yo, what the fuck?
I was gonna do it yesterday, but I
You're sitting in the passenger seat for this one.
I'm driving.
Oh, he's driving it.
Hey, you brake, you buy.
Yeah.
I'm convinced that those motor mounts, when you're like moving, it
Yeah, this whole
towards
thing-
the blade, and something, the fan clutch or something's hitting it. I don't know.
The whole engine's like, the
Moves.
motor mount doesn't exist.
The whole fucking motor moves, dude. It's like it's gonna fall.
Sooner or later, this motor's gonna fall on the ground when you're driving one day.
5.3 swap. Plenty of room in here.
Well, let's get these mounts switched out, boys. She's all cleaned up, boys. Ready to go back in. Probably gonna clean this box up a little bit before I throw it back in because, yeah, this thing is filthy inside. So probably get some more Simple Green and go ham scrubbing the box. Look at that shit, guys. Gross. Yes. Yes, boys. Yes. The dirt. Finished product, boys. Way better than what it was. Wow, what is that right there? Did I miss a spot? Hold on. Smoothie this real quick. There's still a little bit there, but y'all get the gist. Way better than what it was. All right, let's put this bad boy in. Air filter is back in. Lost the hardware on the air box, but that's been gone since I owned it. So what I do to keep the box lifting up, just did some simple zip ties on one end 1, 2. Shouldn't go anywhere. Got it. All right, next step is to start on this damn oil change. So let's start on the oil. Oil change is done. Air filter is cleaned out. Let's start this yonke.
Don't look like you got any.
Nada. Hear the exhaust one.
A little cold start.
She's purring. I got the spicy tune on it for this weekend. Alright guys. Louis is gonna attempt the dock for the this is the third time. Sean, speed or what?
I think so.
This is the third time.
What is it?
I don't know.
I think it's at 50%.
It's 50-50. And I don't know, Sean, he's getting a little more confident. It's kind of scary.
We need to get more.
Look, Compa's happy as shit right now. That's so funny. Oh, we're roller clip from the last video. My boy tried to do one turn.
I don't see a hole.
That's what happened.
You happy?
Okay, look, he's all greening.
Finally, dude.
He's all greening, eh? All right, load it up on the trailer, G. Serio.
Daily driver.
If y'all remember from the earlier off-road videos, everyone was driving their shit.
We're talking classic tacos, no lettuce. You know what I'm saying?
Not anymore.
How do you feel? Feeling good as a passenger. Let me do it.
Don't even say nothing to me, boy!
You want to do it? Yeah. Send Sean.
Sean, you want to go off the dock?
I told Sean I was going to jump it
Can I
off.
drive it off the dock?
I want to see Sean do it. I want to see Sean do it.
Whatever, bro.
Get your ass in here. Use the pillow. Use the pillow. Yes, bud. Dude, that feels like nothing. Boy, Louis out of here. Hey, don't run over this fool's dog shit. Look at this fool's eye. This motherfucker's dog shit's everywhere, bro. Like, how do you even get it in between the fucking hose? Like, what? Alright then, I'm gonna fuck with you.
Alright, catch you later.
Alright. Under this hog, I already went ahead and loosened the fill plug. It's gonna be awkward angle with this camera. I don't know how well I'm gonna get this on camera for you guys, but I'm gonna try my best. Oh wow. So I think she's definitely not low on fluid, guys. So we'll see. It might have overheated the trans. I really hope so. Oh wow, dude, I think there's some 80-90 gear oil on this thing. I read on the forums that it's low-key dog water, it's trash. So we're gonna put some ATF in it, as y'all seen earlier. The boy's kinda scared. Oh boy, I don't think this shit's ever been done ever in its life. Nice. Oh, gnarly. Yes, my friend. I'd say she's due, boys. Good God almighty. Oh my dude, there's like literally sludge on this thing. Jesus. I'm so sorry, truck. I didn't know you were hurting that bad. Dude, there's just still shit in there, bro. I'm for sure gonna have to do at least a quick flush with ATF before I top it all the way off. All right, so basically now, got my handy dandy pump here. We're gonna pump this bitch with some ATF, so see how well I can get it in the hole. It's gonna be kind of a pinch. Obviously my hose is not that long. I'm trying to make this shit work. I don't know, I read a lot of stuff online on like forums and stuff. A lot of people said the 80-90 gear oil was junk, and I think that's what was in there. And I also read that ATF, a lot of people run ATF, and it's better. So we're gonna test that theory out, and let's fill her up. So, yep. Yeah guys, that's pretty much the last thing I need to do on this. Actually wait, I'm wrong. Let me go over this radiator one more time. All right boys, got that mess all cleaned up, so gotta schmoo it a little bit. We're gonna go over this radiator because if you guys watched the last, I think, yeah, it was the last desert trip we went on. Play the clip right here. Oh my God.
Is he gonna blow up?
No. But yeah, anyways, it was all a mess. It was all bad. Anyways, my radiator, like brackets, the mounting points, the bolts, basically they backed out pretty much, and basically my whole radiator dropped back, and my fan basically pinched it. So while I was sitting airing down, I was like, hop back in, and the truck overheated. So it was already smoking. But we managed to fix it with a few zip ties here, brother. Still running them. I'm on you. But yeah, go underneath here. See this little leaky leak right here, guys? I don't know if y'all can see that. So I'm tempted just to get a spare radiator for this trip because I don't know if this is just gonna explode on me, if it's gonna be like a small itsy bitsy leak. But I'm not burning very much coolant at all. It's still max. All in all though, guys, not nearly enough to fucking drop it. I think I'm just gonna send it on this one, boys. Love you all. And speaking of which, while I'm on this topic, I want to give a huge shout out to you guys. Thank you all for the new subscribers. Everyone that's new to this channel, thank you all for tuning in and watching these videos. I really appreciate it. Yeah, I'm just out here showing you guys these builds, as well as all the homies' other builds. Homie Sean's RX-7 right here that you'll all probably be seeing eventually. He's working on it. But yeah, guys, I think we're almost at 200 subscribers. I think we're at like 190 something, but let's try to get to that 200 mark, guys. So I greatly appreciate it. All the love. But yeah, anyways, back to the video. But yeah, man, I think it's safe to say, guys, I think your boy is ready for this trip. Probably gonna do a shakedown later on today. Gotta charge all these cameras and whatnot. Probably meet up with the boys again. So, I mean, without further ado, guys, I'll catch you all later. Still gotta test out this trans. We'll see how the ATF does. I'm really gonna try to push it, but not try to break my stuff, obviously. But we gotta see if it's gonna lock me out of my gears like it did the last video. So that's what I'm hoping it doesn't do again this time. So fingers crossed. But anyways, guys, enough of me talking. You all probably had enough of me talking. Catch you on the dirt. Y'all heard? I'm out. That's pretty much gonna wrap this little vlog up. There's Zach Illis out here. Running. How's it running? She ready? She ready or what?
Ready, bro.
No mind those. And he still has this fucking grill in the back, guys. Like, I swear to God, Zach. Next video, if you still have this shit in there, boy, I swear to God.
Don't worry, it'll all be
The
gone.
whole camp's resting here. The whole camp's resting now. Hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Louis sending it off the dock. His truck's what, good now? It's still good. But next time I'm gonna be seeing you guys, we're gonna be loading this baby girl up on a trailer. Zach's gonna be all loaded up.
Thursday night.
Squad's gonna be united. But yeah, till then, I'll catch y'all next week. Until next time, guys. I'm out!
Like how you get that lit, same old me, but they think I switch. Fuck old friends, I don't know that bitch. Racks too big, can't fuck that shit.
Don't call that little ass place no estate. Unless you came with a pool in the gate. Check the red before I pull in the gate. All my watches flooded just like a lake. Lately I've been showing up extra late. Rich nigga take her on a cheap date. 4 for 4 when he's get her a plate. Love when these nuts all up in her face. She say, why?